Japan, a nation renowned for its cleanliness, efficiency, and deep respect for the environment. Images of pristine streets and meticulously sorted rubbish come to mind. This reputation extends to recycling, with Japan often lauded as a global leader. But is this perception entirely accurate? The reality of Japan's plastic recycling tells a more complex story, one that requires a closer look beyond the surface. While Japan boasts a high overall recycling rate, the picture becomes murkier when focusing specifically on plastics. The oft-cited figure of an 85% recycling rate for plastics in Japan is misleading. This statistic includes a significant portion of plastic that is not truly recycled but rather incinerated for energy recovery. In actuality, the percentage of plastic mechanically recycled, transforming it into new products, is significantly lower. To understand the nuances of Japan's plastic recycling, it's crucial to distinguish between mechanical recycling and energy recovery. These two methods, while both aimed at addressing plastic waste, have significantly different impacts on the environment and resource management. Mechanical recycling involves cleaning, shredding, and melting plastic waste to create new products. This method is often seen as the gold standard in recycling because it allows the material to be reused in a similar form, maintaining its value and utility. This process is considered true recycling as it reduces the need for virgin plastic production. By reprocessing the plastic, we can significantly cut down on the extraction and processing of raw materials, which in turn reduces energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Energy recovery, on the other hand, involves burning plastic waste to generate electricity or heat. This method is often used for plastics that are difficult to recycle mechanically. While it provides a way to harness energy from waste, it is not without its drawbacks. While this process can offset fossil fuel use, it does not eliminate the need for new plastic and raises concerns about air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. The incineration of plastic releases harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to environmental degradation and health issues. Therefore, while energy recovery can be part of a waste management strategy, it should not be seen as a replacement for reducing plastic use and improving mechanical recycling efforts. Japan's plastic problem is further compounded by the sheer volume of plastic produced and consumed. Despite growing awareness of plastic pollution, Japan remains one of the world's largest consumers of plastic. This upward trend in plastic production underscores the urgency of addressing the plastic waste issue at its source. Reducing plastic consumption alongside effective recycling strategies is essential to stem the tide of plastic waste. Section 5. Delving deeper, a look at Japan's recycling breakdown. Let's delve into the specifics of Japan's plastic recycling rate. Japan has long been known for its meticulous waste management practices, but how effective are they when it comes to plastic recycling? According to data from the Plastic Waste Management Institute, in 2020, Japan generated approximately 9 million tons of plastic waste. This staggering amount highlights the urgent need for efficient recycling systems. Of this, 23% was mechanically recycled. Mechanical recycling involves processes like shredding, washing, and melting plastic waste to create new products. This method is essential for reducing the environmental impact of plastic waste. 58% was incinerated for energy recovery. Incineration helps reduce the volume of waste and generates energy, but it also raises concerns about air pollution and the loss of valuable materials that could be recycled. The remaining 19% ended up in landfills. Landfilling is the least desirable option as it takes up valuable land space and poses long-term environmental risks. While energy recovery plays a role in waste management, it is not a perfect solution. It helps in reducing the volume of waste and generating energy, but it should not be the primary method of dealing with plastic waste. It's crucial to prioritize mechanical recycling to truly close the loop on plastic and reduce reliance on virgin plastic production. By improving mechanical recycling rates, Japan can significantly lower its environmental footprint and move towards a more sustainable future. This involves not only technological advancements, but also public awareness and participation in recycling programs. Section 6. The inconvenient truth about incineration. While often touted as a solution, incinerating plastic for energy recovery is not without its drawbacks. The process releases harmful pollutants into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and respiratory problems, particularly in densely populated areas. Additionally, burning plastic releases carbon dioxide, exacerbating climate change. While Japan has invested in advanced incinerators with emissions control technologies, concerns remain about the long-term environmental impact of relying heavily on incineration. Incineration plants, despite their advanced technology, still pose significant risks. The harmful pollutants released include dioxins, furans, and heavy metals, which can have severe health impacts on local communities. These pollutants can lead to chronic respiratory diseases, cardiovascular problems, and even cancer. Moreover, the ash produced by incineration, often containing toxic substances, needs to be carefully managed and disposed of, adding another layer of environmental concern. In addition to health risks, the economic costs of building and maintaining incineration plants are substantial. These facilities require significant investment and ongoing operational costs, which can strain municipal budgets. Furthermore, the reliance on incineration can divert attention and resources away from more sustainable waste management practices, such as recycling and composting. Ultimately, while incineration may offer a short-term solution for waste management, it is not a panacea. The long-term environmental and health impacts, coupled with the economic costs, make it a less desirable option. A more sustainable approach would involve reducing plastic production, enhancing recycling efforts, and investing in alternative waste management technologies. Section 7, charting a sustainable course. Recommendations for improvement. To address its plastic problem effectively, Japan needs a multi-pronged approach that prioritizes waste reduction, improves recycling infrastructure, and explores alternative materials. This includes implementing stricter regulations on single-use plastics, promoting reusable alternatives, and investing in advanced recycling technologies that can handle a wider range of plastics. The graph shows the disparity between plastic production and reuse, highlighting the urgent need for improvement. The role of consumers: small changes, big impact. Individuals also have a crucial role to play in reducing plastic waste. By adopting conscious consumption habits, such as refusing single-use plastics, choosing reusable alternatives, and properly sorting waste, citizens can contribute to a more sustainable future. Education and awareness campaigns can empower consumers to make informed choices about their plastic consumption. Government initiatives paving the way for a circular economy. The Japanese government has recognized the need for action and has implemented several initiatives to promote a circular economy for plastics. These include setting targets for reducing plastic waste, promoting the use of recycled plastic in manufacturing, and supporting research and development of innovative recycling technologies. Embracing innovation technological solutions for a plastic-free future. Technological advancements offer promising solutions for tackling plastic waste. From bio-based and biodegradable plastics to advanced recycling technologies like chemical recycling, innovation holds the key to breaking free from our dependence on conventional plastics. Japan, with its technological prowess, is well positioned to lead the way in developing and implementing these cutting-edge solutions. A shared responsibility, global collaboration for a cleaner planet. Plastic pollution is a global challenge that requires international cooperation. Japan can leverage its expertise and experience to collaborate with other nations, sharing best practices and supporting developing countries in improving their waste management systems. By working together, we can create a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations.